How to do a burnout in an automatic and manual vehicle. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Auto V Fix. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of burning out vehicles. If you've ever wanted to learn how to perform a burnout in both automatic and manual vehicles, you're in the right video. I've had the chance to test and perfect various driving techniques, and I can't wait to share my expertise with you. So buckle up, and let's get started with the ultimate guide to burn out a vehicle. First, we'll be talking about what a burnout actually is in both automatic and manual cars. Then, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of performing a burnout in automatic cars, followed by manual vehicles. But that's not all. We'll also be covering burnouts in automatic trucks and motorcycles. Stay tuned with me as we explore the ins and outs of burnouts in automatic and manual vehicles. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's begin this video fully by talking about what a burnout is in automatic and manual cars. What is burnout in an automatic and manual car? Simple. Car burnout is a driving maneuvering that can be applied in both automatic and manual vehicles, in which the driver intentionally spins their wheels to lose traction and create a cloud of smoke from friction between tires and road surface. This maneuver may be done as an act of power or skill, or for entertainment purposes, such as car shows, drag races, or other motorsport events. It is essential to be aware that performing burnouts can put undue strain on your vehicle's tires, transmission, and other components. Therefore, this activity should only be undertaken under controlled circumstances with adequate safety protocols in place. Now let's move on to how you can perform a burnout in an automatic car. So, how can you do a burnout in an automatic car? Well, the thing is, performing a burnout in an automatic car requires slightly different techniques than in manual vehicles. So here is my step-by-step guide on how to do a burnout in an automatic vehicle. Step 1. First, you have to start by locating a safe and legal location to perform your burnout. Ensure the area is free from pedestrians, traffic, and any form of obstacles. Step 2. Disable any traction control or stability systems in your car that could interfere with burnout by applying brakes or cutting engine power. Step 3. Place your left foot firmly on the brake pedal, applying firm pressure to keep the car stationary. Step 4. Engage drive, D, or if available, engage the lowest gear setting for optimal torque output. Step 5. With your right foot, gradually press on and increase the gas pedal while maintaining pressure on the brake pedal. As the engine revs, your tires will begin to lose traction and spin, creating a burnout effect. Step 6. Limit the burnout by modulating your accelerator and brake pressure. Avoid applying too much throttle, as this could damage your transmission. Step 7. Once you're ready to stop the burnout, release the gas pedal and gradually ease off of the brake pedal. Shift into park, P, or neutral, N, allowing the tires to cool. Let's now move on to how to do a burnout in a manual car. So, how can you perform a burnout in a manual car? Conducting a burnout in a manual vehicle requires more precision, but also provides greater control. Here are the steps. Step 1. Just like you would do when performing a burnout for an automatic car, you want to choose an area suitable and legal for your burnout, free from pedestrians, traffic, and obstructions. Step 2. Disable any traction control or stability systems in your car to prevent interference. Step 3. Press the clutch pedal with your left foot and shift into first gear. Step 4. With your right foot, press down on the brake pedal firmly to keep the car stationary. Step 5. Begin to rev the engine by pressing down on the gas pedal with your right foot, aiming for a high RPM. Step 6. Quickly release the clutch pedal while maintaining pressure on both brake and gas pedals. Your tires will begin spinning, creating a burnout effect. Step 7. Manage the burnout by modulating your accelerator and brake pressure accordingly. Be mindful of your engine's RPM to avoid over-revving and potential damage. Step 8. To conclude the burnout, release the gas pedal, press the clutch, and release the brake pedal. Shift into neutral and let the tires cool off. This is basically how to do a burnout in a manual car. Now, on a general note, the two guides above are there about how to burn out in a car, whether it is an automatic car or a manual vehicle of any kind. But how about how to burn out in an automatic truck? Are they the same? Well, the steps are similar, with just a slight difference, and I will show you. If you are finding value in this video and you are not still subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order not to miss out on our future videos. How to do burnout in an automatic truck. Burning out in an automatic truck is similar to performing one in a car. Simply follow these steps. Step 1. As usual, choose a secure, legal location for your burnout that's free from pedestrians, traffic, and obstructions. Step 2. Disable any traction control or stability systems in your truck to avoid interference. Step 3. Press and maintain the brake pedal with your left foot, applying firm pressure to keep the truck stationary. Step 4. Shift the transmission into drive, D, or, if available, use the lowest gear setting for improved torque. Step 5. With your right foot, gradually press on the gas pedal while maintaining pressure on the brake pedal. As the engine revs, tires will begin to lose traction and spin, creating a burnout effect. Step 6. Manage your burnout by modulating the gas pedal and brake pressure accordingly. Avoid applying excessive throttle, as this could damage your transmission. Step 7. Once you're ready to end the burnout, release the gas pedal and gradually lift off the brake pedal. Shift into Park P or Neutral N, allowing your tires to cool. Next, let us look at some of the pros and cons of performing a burnout on both automatic versus manual burnouts vehicles. Automatic versus manual burnouts, pros and cons. When deciding whether or not to perform a burnout in an automatic or manual vehicle, weigh the advantages and potential drawbacks. Automatic burnouts, pros and cons. Pros. 1. Easy to learn and execute for beginners. 2. Reduced risk of engine stalling during the process. Cons. Minimizing control over vehicle performance and burnout intensity, vulnerability to transmission damage due to increased heat and stress from manual burnouts. Manual burnouts, pros and cons. Pros. 1. The benefits or pros a manual burnouts offers to include improved control, lessened burnout intensity, and potential transmission damage caused by increased heat and stress levels. 2. And if you are a more experienced driver, you will enjoy greater control of the vehicle and burnout intensity, which is more satisfying and engaging for them. So what are the cons of performing burnouts in a manual car? 1. Performing burnouts in a manual car is more challenging to learn and execute, especially for beginners. 2. You run the risk of stalling the engine or damaging your car clutch. Is it bad to perform a burnout in an automatic? Burning out in an automatic vehicle puts additional strain on its transmission and other components. Excess heat generated during a burnout can damage components such as torque converters and brakes. However, if performed occasionally and taken necessary precautions, such as allowing the vehicle to cool down afterward, your risk for damage is minimized considerably. Moreover, remember that burnouts also cause excessive tire wear, which should be done responsibly and legally. You will agree that burnout can be an exhilarating experience for car lovers. Whether you are driving an automatic or manual vehicle, the key to successfully executing a burnout lies in understanding your vehicle's characteristics, using proper technique, and practicing in a secure and legal environment. Remember that burnouts are hard on vehicles and tires, so always prioritize safety when performing one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car repair tips and tutorial videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye!